Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to change your LinkedIn privacy settings in 2026. Adjusting your privacy settings helps you control who can see your profile, activity, connections, and personal information while using LinkedIn. First, sign in to your LinkedIn account. Click your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Asterisk Settings and Privacy Asterisk Asterisk. From the left-hand menu, click Asterisk Asterisk Visibility Asterisk. This section contains most of the privacy options for your account. Here, you can choose who can see your profile photo, email address, connections list, and last name. You can also control whether your profile appears in search engines outside of LinkedIn and decide who can view your activity and followers. Next, open the Asterisk Asterisk Data Privacy Asterisk section. Here you can manage how LinkedIn uses your data, control personalized ads, download your account data, and review the permissions you've given to LinkedIn. Now go to Sign In and Security Asterisk if you'd like to improve your account security. From here, you can change your password, enable two-factor authentication, and review the devices where you're currently signed in. After making any changes, LinkedIn saves your settings automatically, so there's no need to click a Save button. It's a good idea to review your privacy settings regularly to make sure your account is shared only with the people you want. And that's how to change your LinkedIn privacy settings in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel for more LinkedIn guides, and thanks for watching.